Yeah, that's nice right there, man. This girl is nice. Well, family, like I promised, we are now here at Pools Mill Rods to meet my homeboy Dan. So let's go inside and check out the shop. Dan.
What's up, Earl?
What's going on, brother?
You are,
Good
buddy.
to see you, man. Good
Too,
to see
man.
you.
Been a while.
I know it took me a minute to get up here, man, but hey,
Yeah.
I
Hey,
told you
man.
I was coming.
Life's
What you
busy,
got
brother.
going
Come on in the shop and check out what we got going on. Getting ready for race season here. I'm sure you're familiar with the old C10
Yes,
from
sir.
last year, man.
That's that girl, man. She's so mean.
Getting ready for some track time. We're excited about this season, man.
Yeah, man.
We're making some changes, getting her dialed in. Yeah, we're going to heat up the asphalt this year, man.
I know how you do it, man.
Yeah, man. It's been a while, so come check out some stuff we got going on, man.
You got some beautiful stuff in here.
Yeah, thanks, man. We got some pretty exciting projects going on this year.
Hey, man. Well, hey, like I promised, my main man, Dan. Now, I've been knowing Dan for a couple of years now. I had the luxury to ride around in Dan in that beautiful Chevy truck over there. But since at home you guys don't know Dan, break it down. Tell them a little bit about yourself. Tell them what you do.
My name is Dan Kauffman. This is my shop, Pools Mill Hot Rods. Been working on this for a long time. Been really vested into the hobby for as long as I can remember. Just kind of starting out in my parents' basement, just like any other guy that's passionate about whatever hobby you may in. At some point in time, you just kind of like took it off your own little path and started diving in and figuring things out. And not to say I was a self-taught, but
right.
I would say predominantly yes, but definitely I had mentors along the way. A lot of influencers and mentors and coming up, but a lot of this was just cutting my own teeth and just digging deep and figuring it out, man.
With the quality of work you do, that's real interesting. I was going to ask you that. That was my next question. You answered it for me, man. I mean, no training, no school training, just your pops at home with your friends, older guys that taught you around you. That's really how you got your
really, yeah. I mean, not long after high school, I worked at a GM, a Chevy dealership. Okay. So I kind of busted my knuckles on the LS platform, and that's kind of what I don't know for sure, but I feel like it's kind of what kind of like spread my name out there. Is just start doing a lot of LS swaps, So and that was the platform I was familiar with because when I started in probably '99, 2000, that's when those were new. So that was the platform I kind of like developed my skill on learning was the LS platform. So I kind of when I started going, just doing a lot of LS swaps, and it just evolved and a lot further and further parts of the vehicle, and now on to full builds, including LS swap.
Yeah, because I'm like the way you do suspension on the truck, man. Just to feel that suspension that I felt when we rode last year, it's like you turning on train tracks, man. I mean that thing is sharp. Yeah.
All right, family. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, so we can keep you up to speed on all the latest trends in autocross, restoration, resto mods, and the latest aftermarket equipment.